Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install BanditPAM high performance implementation linear clustering related frameworks means library, and you can install this library in two platforms, Python and C++. So what is the advantage and how to install this Python library? Let's check it out as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply here I'm providing you this link in video description. One of the researchers are implemented this library. In that library is very important for the linear clustering, k-means clustering related works, and some basic informations are available here. You can install this library using this like a pip install and BanditPAM and just put it in your command prompt and install. And same process you can do like a Mac, Linux and Windows. Some basic informations are available here. Which types of plotting the library are providing you, plotting like a clustering related plotting, and some small demo related programs also available here. Some documentations also available, so you can visit on that particular platform, read very carefully and implement high computing programming or high computing clustering related algorithms. So now time to how to install. You just simply copy this one, pip install, open your terminal, CLR, and now I enter my environment, conda activate speech clear clear. Now I enter my environment and just I put it here, pip install BanditPAM, and enter. The library are installing specific environment, and then after I can very easily access and use for the implementation point of view the high computing performance. It's very simple to install the BanditPAM in your operating system, Mac, Linux and Windows. It's very simple.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.